In this video, I'll show you how to download and install new apps on your LG Smart Television. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the home screen on your TV. Now we can do this by grabbing your television remote and then just pressing the home icon, which is this one here. Once you're on the home screen of your television, use the downwards arrow to head over to the apps section and then just use the right arrow key to come all the way across until you see apps. Once you've found apps and have it selected, then just press the OK key on your remote control and that's going to launch up the apps. Now what you can do is use the categories at the top of this screen to find the app that you're looking for. So you can just browse through here and there'll be a bunch of different apps available. If there's one app in particular that you want to download, then what we can do is use the upwards arrow to head over to the search icon in the top of the screen, select OK, and then using the keyboard, we're just going to type in the app that we want to download. So for example, let's say I wanted to download the BBC iPlayer app. I'm just going to type in BBC, and then we can use the right arrow key to come all the way over to search and press OK. Give that a few seconds to load, and then as you can see, we have BBC iPlayer at the top. So just go through the list and select the application that you want to download and press OK. Then what you can do is move the arrow key all the way over to the install button. And we're just going to go and press OK next to install. And then you'll just need to wait a few moments while that goes and downloads and installs to your device. Once it's finished installing, you can simply launch up the application from here. Or what we can do instead is come back over to the home screen by pressing the home icon on your TV remote. And then from here, you'll now be able to see this application in the list of apps. If you can't see it, then just keep scrolling all the way across and it should show up in this list here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you download and install new apps to your LG TV. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.